Hello and welcome. My name is Tiffany Ledford. I'm one of the math faculty at Edmonds College. In this video, I will explain the difference between the Math Center classes and the traditional instructor-led classes. First, let's go over our pre-college course offerings. We have 4 different pre-college classes. If you have placed into a pre-college class, you placed into Math 47 or 41, Math 77 or 71, Math 87 or 81, or Math 97 or Math 93. If you do not have your placement yet, you will want to reach out to the Edmonds College Testing Center to determine your placement. For the pre-college classes, students have the option for signing up in the Math Center for individualized instruction or in the traditional teacher-led classrooms. So what's the difference? In the Math Center, the course numberings are 41 through 44, 71 through 74, 81 through 84, or Math 93 through 94. Students enroll for 2 to 5 credits of one of these series. The instructor works with each student to create an individualized plan. The student has one-on-one instruction with the instructor or the student aide on an as-needed basis. Class meets in the Math Center, which is an open lab where students are working on any one of the 4 pre-college classes. Enrollment in the Math Center is variable credit and continuous enrollment through week 7. That means if you finish a credit and want to sign up for another one, you can through week 7. Your pace and progress in the course in the Math Center are determined by the pace at which you work. Students who want to move at a slower pace or a faster pace should consider taking classes in the Math Center. The traditional instructor-led sections are labeled Math 47, 77, 87, or 97. Students enroll for 5 credits of one of these classes. Enrollment is set by the 10th day. The instructor sets the pace that makes sure you get through the course in 1 quarter. Instructors spend part of each class lecturing, and the remaining time students work on solving problems. Class meets in a classroom with computers. All students are enrolled in the same course and starting at the beginning of that course. I hope this has helped explain the difference so you can pick which mode works best for you. If you have further questions, please contact an advisor or the math department heads.